Hey, what's up guys? Today we're checking out the Realme Note 50, a budget smartphone with an incredible price point compared to its competitors. Let's dive in. The Realme Note 50 is the latest budget smartphone, packed with impressive features. It balances performance and affordability, offering a seamless user experience without breaking the bank. The camera captures stunning photos, the battery life lasts all day, and the performance is smooth and responsive. Unique features like its sleek design, impressive display, and snappy processor set it apart from other budget phones. In conclusion, the Realme Note 50 offers a lot of bang for your buck. Definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a budget-friendly smartphone. Share your thoughts on the Realme Note 50 in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, check out our other smartphone review videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech goodness.